guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to show you guys how I clean my brushes. So I was sent a few products by the brush bar and I have been really enjoying them, and it has made my brush cleaning routine so much easier, so I had to share it with you guys. Alright, so first you have to wet your brush, of course, and then I'm using the Brush Bubbly, which is the brush cleanser by the brush bar, and then I use the brush board, which you see right here, which is a makeup brush exfoliator. Now this thing, you guys, is what makes this process go so much easier. So what I like about the brush board is that it has 6 different surfaces for every brush type. So depending on the type of the brush and how dirty my brush is, I will use different parts of the brush board. And as you can see me do right here, I just used literally every single one of the surfaces. So I will repeat this process until my brush looks kind of clean. Then I will rinse it off and then go on the brush board once more. And then I rinse it out one more time. And that's basically it. My brush looks squeaky clean. And then what I do is push it back into its original shape. That way when it dries, it will dry down to its original shape. And that is how I get my brushes to look nice and clean in a quick and easy way. So yeah, I will show you guys a few more brushes and how I do it. But the surface that you see me using right here is actually my favorite one. It is the triangular prism, and it has 3 edges for a medium scrub. So that's the one I prefer the most. I love a medium scrub. So yeah, I always start off by using that one, and then I might go into different ones depending on how dirty the brush is and if it needs more cleaning. And then I just rinse it off in between, and again repeat the same process, and always push it back in shape. That's really important. What's really important is that you always rinse off the brush board in between your brushes. That way the germs and the bacteria don't spread all over your different brushes. The Brush Bubbly is actually a really great cleanser that really lathers, and it does a great job at getting rid of any dirt on your brush. It doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. It doesn't have like that harsh chemically scent, which I personally really like. Washing your brushes will also make sure that you don't spread any bacteria on your face, because that might clog your pores and cause any breakouts and stuff like that. So it is really important that you wash your brushes at least every couple of weeks, I would say. Alright, then moving on to the last step, which is actually letting my brushes dry. For this, I have the brush bar, which is an amazing tool. So this comes with 10 prongs that hold your brushes upside down, which is really important because letting your brushes dry upside down will prevent the water from getting into your brushes, and that way the water doesn't get into the glue and your brushes will last you a longer period of time. So the prongs come in 3 different sizes. You have 2 smaller ones, 6 mediums, and 2 large. So it will hold a variety of brush sizes, and what's really great is that this is actually pretty heavy, so that way it stays onto your countertop without falling over. And yeah, it feels really sturdy. It's nice and easy to travel with, which is amazing. You can definitely tell that it is made from high quality materials, and as you can see here, I used the wrong size, so I just put it into a smaller one and it fitted perfectly. And that is how I clean my brushes. As you can see, it is super quick and easy. I love the brush bar. It is so freaking handy, and it just makes a process that usually isn't very fun a little bit more enjoyable. So yeah, don't forget to check out the brush bar. They will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Say that it feels right.